Hello everyone. So in this video we would like to explain why the front headlight in the European cars with the upgrade aftermarket LEDs get into different light output. So you can see clearly this BMW has some aftermarket LED lights fit before it comes to our workshop, and it has the white color on the right side, and then it has a yellow, very yellowish light on the left side. So to explain this one, we actually look up very carefully into the light and look up into the glass. So you can see this the pattern, like the waving pattern of the projector glass here, the light turning. You can see multiple curving circle pattern. Okay, that is the way that this projector lights stay on this side. The second thing, it has because it's also, it has one layer of the dash behind the glass here, and this layer actually is there because too long time moisture get in, dust get in, and it stay there. Now looking on the other side, okay, you see this one, the glass is, the pattern of the glass here is not like the other side. This one is not with the circle pattern. This one is a kind of more round and straight and flat, so it has absolutely no circling pattern like the other side. The level of the dust layer at the back of this glass, the projector here, is pretty much equal to the other side. We can test this out by turning off the main headlight, and we use the normal touch here to show up the dust layer behind the projector. So we clearly can see at the level of the dust and the way it reflects from the behind the projector on the left side is pretty much the same level like on the right side. However, the main difference between those one would be the pattern. Okay, now that is not the main reason why the light is different on the right and on the left. The most common reason, and especially in this case, after we check out the projector, we can say that the most common problem, and in this case the problem comes from the LED lights behind the headlight. The owner already brought in a box of the headlight that they bought somewhere online, and we realized that it was a very low-end LED globes. It doesn't even have the canvas LED system. It's just a general normal LED globes, which is very cheap, and that was the reason why the car actually has the problem showing up here with the light like that. Okay, because they bought a very cheap LED light for the headlight upgrade. They didn't know or didn't want to spend that much. But now the problem comes from the kit. It doesn't have equal good light output. Coming back to the pattern of the light, the thing that we find out the pattern is that the pattern will show the difference on the left and on the right, just to show you that more than likely this car had the headlight replaced on the left side you know, to compare with the right side sometime in the past. So that's all we can tell. And yep, the reason we already explained, you know, you should try a different better quality computer canvas setup LEDs for European cars, especially for a BMW car like this, to avoid the error on the dash and to get the proper light output and the proper, you know, performance of the light, equal color left and right. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.